Today, we're exploring the 10 essential steps to build an AI-powered application from the ground up. Whether you're new to AI or looking to enhance your existing knowledge, this guide will walk you through each crucial step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define the purpose. Start by defining the purpose of your AI application. What specific problem are you solving? Make sure the AI aligns with your business goals and will deliver a worthwhile return on investment. Step 2. Choose the right technology. Next, decide on the technology that suits your application best. Is it a mobile app, an IoT device, or a web platform? Think about whether you need a front-end interface or if the focus is solely on back-end and API integration. Step 3. Wireframing and front-end development. If your app needs a user interface, begin by creating a wireframe, a blueprint of the layout. Start front-end development in parallel with data preparation and model training to keep the process efficient. Step 4. Define the intelligence type. Now, choose the type of intelligence that matches your application's needs. Are you focusing on regression, classification, or a more complex generative model? Step 5. Data preparation and model training. This step is all about the data. Analyze it to make sure you have enough quality information for training a machine learning model. Clean and structure the data to ensure it's both diverse and relevant. Step 6. API development for integration. Once your model is ready, it's time to develop an API to integrate it with the front end. If you haven't built the front end yet, this is when it should be set up. Step 7. Evaluation and pre-production. Before launching, test everything in a pre-production environment with real users. This stage helps ensure the model performs as expected and meets the set objectives. Step 8. Refinement and adjustments. Based on user feedback, refine the model as needed. Adjustments may involve retraining or re-evaluating the technology choices. Flexibility here is essential. Step 9. Transition to production. Once you're confident in the model's performance, deploy the application to a production environment for real-world use. Step 10. Monitoring and maintenance. Finally, keep a close eye on the application's performance. Regular monitoring helps maintain the model's accuracy and allows you to make adjustments over time as needed. And there you have it. Building an AI-powered application can be complex, but following these steps can set you up for success. Remember, the journey doesn't end at deployment. It's all about ongoing improvement. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve.